Penetration pricing. It occurs when you offer your product or service at a price that is low compared to the competition, typically with the goal of gaining more sales volume, new customers, and larger market share. The resulting high sales volumes also may help you reach certain economies of scale that can reduce your per unit manufacturing or per unit production costs. This type of pricing can work well when products in the marketplace are seen as commodities by at least some target audiences who do not necessarily perceive quality differences between brands. It also works well when there is high price elasticity of demand, meaning that slightly lower prices tend to result in much higher sales volumes. The disadvantage, of course, is that low prices also mean low per unit contribution margins, which means that you'll need those high sales volumes to cover your costs. But there is an advantage to those lower margins. They can serve as a barrier to entry to other companies because, well, who really wants to compete in a space where margins are already quite low? Now, there is a big disadvantage of penetration pricing strategy. Pricing your product too low may result in perceptions that your product is of lower quality due to people's experiences with price-quality correlations. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of the future Marketing Minute videos.